Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Google Antigravity and Claude Code. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the basic setup process inside the Antigravity IDE so you can locate, install, and begin connecting Claude Code using the built-in extensions area. This is a simple process, and once you know where to look, it should only take a few moments to complete. To begin, open the Antigravity IDE software on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, since the navigation panel and extension tools may take a moment to appear. If this is your first time opening the IDE, it's normal to see a workspace, sidebar, and a few setup prompts depending on your environment. Once Antigravity is open, look toward the left-hand navigation panel. This sidebar is where you'll usually find important tools for managing your workspace, files, settings, and add-ons. In this case, you're looking specifically for the extensions section. Take a moment to scan the icons or labels in the left navigation until you spot it. When you find the Extensions option, click on it to open the Extension Marketplace or Extension Manager. This section lets you browse available integrations and tools that can expand what Antigravity can do. Opening the correct panel is important here because this is where Claude Code will be located and installed. Next, go to the search area within the Extensions panel and type in Claude Code. Be sure to enter the name clearly so the correct result appears. If multiple options show up, look for the exact Claude Code listing that matches the integration you want to install. Using the search bar is the fastest way to find it, especially if there are many extensions available in the marketplace. Once you've found Claude Code, click the Install button. After that, follow the on-screen procedure shown by Antigravity. Depending on your setup, this may include prompts for confirmation, permission requests, or a brief initialization process. Read each screen carefully and continue through the installation until it is complete. After installation, give the IDE a moment to finish setting everything up. In some cases, extensions become available immediately, while in others, the software may need a quick refresh or prompt you to complete one last on-screen action. Just continue following the visible instructions until Claude Code is ready inside Antigravity. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of integrating Google Antigravity and Claude Code by opening the IDE, locating the extensions panel, searching for Claude Code, and installing it through the built-in setup flow.